would just really like to express my appreciation to Golden Glow. They have been wonderful community supporters. We had a special ed auction in November, and they were fantastic. They donated 2 different certificates, and it was just great to see a room full of women just battling over the services, and it was just great to see them support the community. And these proceeds for the auction went for special ed kids to go to summer camps. So, you know, yes, I've been here to have a facial, and I did enjoy it, but there's more to being in the community than just providing a service to your clients. It's being part of the community. So thank you.